So I can tell you by your question itself, the answer is there. Since I understood how special she is and what service she has been doing all these years using Mother and Sri Aurobindo's ideals, prenatal, psychic education, because in future, whoever has that psychic touch and consciousness and the light they carry will be the guide. So the outer expression of education will not be more elaborate like how we follow literally the present education system. It's mother's education is going to override that. That is the future. How you connect yourself with the psychic and how the psychic through mother's way. Psychic is nothing but mother, because this word psychic coined only by Mother and Sri Aurobindo. They only told that you are not an empty box. You are having a pearl inside you. That pearl is a psychic consciousness. Make use of that and you will be a genius. Genius is the term, I can say very simple term according to Indian minds, or sorry, the mind of a man. But this is a super mind what Sri Aurobindo talks about. Mother inculcated that in her school in ashram. She saw, we are seeing how that psychic education will take the children to perform beyond the mind's imagination. So we saw Dr. Revati Shankaran ma'am, how she has been excellently she was doing, and we see, you must have seen in the very start of the program, her client as well as her daughter, spiritual daughter, she was covering all the steps and ideals given by her. And the child, both the children are extraordinary. They are not genius, I can say more than genius. So this I want to be blossomed in Auroville. Auroville is already in supermind consciousness, but to those who are the mother devotee or around the world, they want to know what effectively the Auroville is conducting each session and want to give it to the world the best, because Auroville is the place where all sort of education must be given to the world. So she is the pioneer in this psychic education. So we want her to impart a knowledge of experiential knowledge. This is not something written in a book. She did, she's seeing, and she's created many number of children as well as the physical mothers or biological mother, according in the words of our Divine Mother. And why Naradji in the start? There are many ways to lift up the consciousness. So a normal man, how can he touch that psychic consciousness as well as the descent and how to ascend? He's simply doing an awesome job to lift up the consciousness beyond the mind's level, stationing in higher realm. In that realm, if you attend and if you be and if you lead the life, that is the genius. So we saw it's all flowing in beautiful stream. So I think this is more than enough of why we chose this sort of compilation of Om Choir and a beautiful session, and it is for up to us how to receive and make use of it.